Hey there, happy Saturday of Memorial Day weekend. Thank God for all those who've gone before us to take care of business and allow us to be free. Here's your tip for the weekend. LaundryPure 2.0. You might see that little red handle. That's a diverter valve. So instead of the LaundryPure water going into our washing machine, it's going to go through that white tube and it's going to go into this bucket, which you can now see has quite a bit of dirty water. In fact, if you see my earlier testimony, you're going to see that dirty water came off my 20-year-old drum set that we're getting ready to sell. So while I was doing that, Miss Lori was over here. Hi, Lori.
Hello.
And we thought we'd show you from our Kirby attachment that we use occasionally for carpet cleaning, that we use nothing but active pure water. No chemicals, no toxins, no stink, no nothing. And you can see that that's how the water comes out. So you want to just pour that out and make it maybe a little easier to see. Obviously you're going to get fuzz from the carpet and whatnot. And so each time we dump it, it kind of looks like that, which is like yuck, but isn't it nice to know that LaundryPure 2.0 can clean your carpets like nothing else and with nothing. How about that?
Yes.
So take care and beware. Lots of ways to use LaundryPure besides your laundry. Bye now.